On the same day, under Baikhora police station, 2 persons lost their lives and 3 were injured in a separate vehicle accident. On Saturday night, 2 persons lost their lives and 3 others were injured in a separate accident happened on the same day. First accident happened in Sachirambari area. During the funeral, a woman named Niharwala Sen, 62 years old, a resident of Sachirambari area, was ran over by an unknown person on a bike. Later, when the woman was taken to Jolaivari Social Health Center, the doctor on duty declared her death. The next accident happened in Kalsirmukh area. There, the bus number TR041225 collided with a Bolero number TR08C1620. 3 people were seriously injured in the accident. When the injured were taken to the Baikhora Primary Health Center, the doctor on duty there referred the 3 to Santirvaza District Hospital. Santirvaza District Hospital took the injured and 1 was dying. Among them, 1 person was dying. The youth who died in this accident is Ashish Panu, 28 years old, a resident of West Bengal. The youth who died in the funeral was working in the city department of Santirvaza District Hospital. Devraj Sen, 27 years old, Sukant Majumdar, 28 years old, a resident of Santirvaza were injured in the accident. Among the injured in the funeral, Devraj Sen's condition was seen to be critical and was referred to Agartala GV Hospital from Santirvaza District Hospital. A separate vehicle accident under Baikhora police station on the same day created a sensational atmosphere in the entire area. Reported by Vikram from Santirvaza, Chini, Khorang.